Okay, we're going to talk about frequency tables here. Okay, now a frequency table shows how often a value occurs. The number of times a value occurs is called its frequency. Alright, so that's why you call it a frequency table. Now you see here, okay, here the number of siblings each one of a group of 30 students has. Okay, so this is unorganized data. Unorganized data or unstructured data. Okay, so this table here shows the number of siblings each one of a group of 30 students has. So for example, if we take 0, let's find a number of students that have got 0 siblings. They don't even have one sibling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So on the right hand side here, the number of siblings who do not have, the number of students who do not have any siblings are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the frequency is 9. Alright, so this is a frequency table. Okay, what about the number of students who have got one sibling? Okay, we got 1, 2. So let's draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So we've got 8. Alright. So let's count the number of students who've got 2 siblings each. We got 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 4, 5. Okay, and 1. So the number of students that have got 2 siblings each is 6, as we can see from here. Alright, and okay, not very neat here of me. Let me just erase this. Alright, okay, 6. So let's count the number of students who've got 3 siblings each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's just 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay, and okay, let's count the number of students who've got 4 siblings each. 1, 2, 2. That's it. Alright, so this is what is known as a frequency table. Alright, now in fact, normally we can use a histogram to display the information given in a frequency table. Alright, so that will be for the next lesson. Thank you and see you.